Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do Carne Asada. I got some flank steaks. I'm going to show you how to marinate them. Simple marinade. Marinate them for, hour to 4 hours, whatever time you have for marinating. We're going to do it on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. So let's get inside. We'll show you how we're going to marinate it. Come back out, throw it on the grill. We're going to probably put the Pit Boss up to about 400 degrees. We're going to do it hot and fast. Chop it up. We're gonna make burritos out of it. So let's get in and I'll show you what we do. All right, for the marinade, I got a bunch of cilantro, 1 orange, 1 lime, 1 medium onion, some garlic, some onion powder, cumin, Mexican oregano. I'm not using garlic pepper, red chili powder, salt, apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna put the liquids in this bowl. I've got my flank steak right here, and we're also going to add a little olive oil. So all you do is put all your liquids in here and your spices, mix it up. It's 1 teaspoon of, I think, everything, maybe a tablespoon of red chili. And we're just going to mix this up. I'm going to dice up my rough chop, my cilantro and my onion. And then I'm going to put all of my flank steak in a plastic bag, just like that. I'm going to pour in my liquids, and then I'm going to add my onion and cilantro. Just grab this and throw this in here, just like this. And then after I get this in here, we're just going to seal it up. We're going to move it around, make sure it's nice and coated. I'm going to let this marinate for 4 to 5 hours. And I'll take it out of the refrigerator about an hour before I put it on the Pit Boss. So let's get it outside. Okay, so we've got our Carne Asada, the marinade. It's been in here for 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours, 4.5 hours. So this should be pretty good. So let's get this on the Pit Boss. Okay, get one of these slabs out of here. This is what we're dealing with. Put that right back there. The second one, right there. We're only going to let this go for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We'll flip them. Be right back. Okay, we're about 3.5 minutes. Get in here and give them a flip. Oh, that's looking good. Yes, indeed. Another 3 minutes. We'll be right back. Right, while we wait for the next couple of minutes on these Carne Asada, man, you can use them in burritos, you can use them in tacos, you can use them as fajita meat, taquitos, on top of salad, just everything. The uses for it is just unlimited, whatever you can think you want to have it with. So anyway, like I said, we're going to do burritos with ours, and these are about ready. I'm going to take them to the house. We're going to heat up a couple of tortillas, and then we'll get the build on. 3.5 more minutes. Looking good. What I'm going to do now is open up the sear plate. Get a little char on those. Oh, yeah. About 30 seconds there. Another 30. Take these off, get them up, inside, let them rest a minute. Cut them up. All right, gonna warm up some tortillas. you go ahead and open up that flame. It'll heat it up really quick. Just like you do on your stove, except we're doing it on the Pit Boss. Looking good. Take these off, oil. Put them in some oil. Roll them up. Just like that to keep them warm. Let's go in and build these burritos. Okay, there we are. Man, isn't this carne asada beautiful? All right, let's get this cut up. And sometimes when you order carne asada, you will get a whole little steak on your plate. But some people like to slice these up. I like to dice my carne asada. So look at that. This one's thinner. This one's cooked, about medium well. So I'm going to cut these up in sections. And then, of course, you cut against the grain. But when I dice them, it doesn't matter a whole lot which way you cut them because they're going to be diced up, just like this. Just get them all diced up. Now this piece was thicker. You'll see that this one's more of a medium rare, which is fine because again, we're going to dice these up. We're going to mix it together. It's going to be nice and tender. Look at that. That's what we're going to build our burritos with. Might do some tacos tomorrow night. We'll see. Look at that. Carne asada is so good. So we're going to take our warm tortilla shell. We're just going to add some of the marinated meat in there. I like cheese in mine. I like cheese in all my burritos, so I'm adding cheese. You don't have to add cheese. I made some homemade Pico De Gallo. It's onion, cilantro, tomato, and jalapeno. And I'm going to scoop that in there. And then you just roll it up, fold it over, fold in both sides, just like this. And then finish rolling it up. Now you can eat it just like this. It's a wonderful burrito, plain like that, but I like mine smothered, so we're gonna smother it with some red chili sauce, top it with some avocado. I'm gonna add some tortillas to this. We're not having rice or beans because this is a meal by itself. Right, how about that burrito? Sorry I didn't come out here and do a taste test. We were hungry, it was delicious, it was filling, and we did have a little extra leftovers. Got them right here. Got my whole little tray set up here for leftover tacos with that carne asada. So I'm gonna get these heated up and get these going. You just reheat this meat, put it in a tortilla shell on the Blackstone grill, fold it over, and grill it till it's nice and toasty for a hard shell taco. Move it to the side. There you go. Yes. Put some Pico De Gallo in it with some guacamole. So good. You can do all kinds of stuff with carne asada. If you get a chance, make it. Tons of things to do with the leftovers. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.